Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you guys a very effective hair growth oil which I've been using and I've been loving. The first ingredient is amla oil, and the amla oil I'm using contains amla, hibiscus, almond, and aloe. And then I'm going to add a little bit of castor oil followed by some grapeseed oil. You can also add more oils such as rosemary, neem, black castor, olive oil. Those are all really great for hair growth. And then you want to start by sectioning the hair and apply the oils directly to the scalp, and then apply the oil to your hair as well. And then you want to massage it for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and you want to leave it on for around 2 hours or ideally overnight. And then you want to wash it off like you would normally do, and you want to repeat this process twice a week, and I guarantee you will have amazing results. This is very effective. And also please subscribe to my channel because I am going to be sharing with you guys my healthy hair journey.